In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio timing in Google Vids. This skill is essential for creating seamless presentations, videos, and other multimedia projects that require perfect audio alignment. Let's dive into the process. First and foremost, go to Google Vids. This step is your gateway to accessing a broad range of video editing tools designed to enhance your multimedia projects. Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace, offering an intuitive interface for managing your videos. Locating Google Vids is straightforward. Simply navigate to the Google Workspace and select Google Vids from the list of available applications. Once you're on the Google Vids homepage, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This action requires you to sign in with your Google account to access your personal workspace. It's crucial to sign in so you can save and access your projects at any time, making the process smoother and more personalized. After signing in, choose the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, select the one linked to your video projects or the one you prefer for professional use. This step ensures that all your work is stored and managed under the right account, keeping your projects organized. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, it's time to select your audio file. This file could be a voiceover, background music, or any other audio element you wish to add to your video. Finding and choosing the correct audio file is critical for the next steps, as this is what you'll be adjusting to fit your video's timing perfectly. Once your audio file is selected, click on the Format option. This area is where you can adjust several settings related to your audio and video files, but for our current purpose, we're focusing solely on audio adjustments. Within the Format menu, you'll find the Audio option. Clicking on this will reveal various settings related to your audio file, including volume, playback speed, and more. However, the feature we're particularly interested in today is the Adjust Audio Timing function. Clicking on Adjust Audio Timing opens the door to fine-tuning your audio file's timing in relation to your video. This powerful feature allows you to delay the start, adjust the duration, or synchronize the audio perfectly with specific video segments. When you click on Adjust Your Audio, you'll be presented with a timeline and controls that let you manipulate the audio timing precisely. You can drag the audio track to start at a specific point in your video, adjust its length, and even set it to end at a precise moment. This granular control is what makes Google Vids a powerful tool for video editing. It's important to play back your video after making adjustments to ensure that the audio aligns perfectly with your visual content. This step might require a few attempts to get it just right, but the effort is well worth it when you achieve that perfect synchronization between audio and video. As you adjust your audio timing, remember to save your project frequently. Losing your progress can be frustrating, and although Google Vids auto saves your work, it's a good habit to manually save, especially after making significant adjustments. Lastly, feel free to experiment with the various audio settings available. Adjusting the timing is just the tip of the iceberg. Exploring the full range of audio editing options can elevate your video project, making it more engaging and professional. Congratulations! You now know how to adjust audio timing in Google Vids. This skill is incredibly useful for anyone looking to create polished and professional looking videos. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different audio files and timing adjustments to see what works best for your project. Happy editing,